TechEmpire presents the top 5 best electronic letter openers in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Fellows Lyra 3-in-1 Binding Center, 5603001. The unique Lyra 3-in-1 Binding Center combines stapling, 3-hole punching and comb binding in one machine. Easy Press Double Action Staplers offers effortless stapling for up to 30 pages. Comb binds documents up to 300 pages, comb punches 20 sheets, 3-hole punches 30 sheets. Vertical loading enhances accuracy for faster punching and binding. Precision alignment of punching and stapling delivers perfect results. Includes a document and comb measurement guide for ease of use. The Lyra is built for the office/classroom, library, and more. Features: combined stapling, 3-hole punching and comb binding in one machine. Easy Press Double Action Stapler offers effortless stapling for up to 30 pages. Comb binds documents up to 300 pages, comb punches 20 sheets, 3-hole punches 30 sheets. Vertical loading enhances accuracy for faster punching and binding. Precision alignment of punching and stapling delivers perfect results. Number 2. Trodat Printe4750 Date Stamp with English Phrase Received. The quick and easy way to stamp documents with the date. Self-inking dater delivers rapid, repeat impressions to keep up with your busy office. Replaceable stamp pad delivers up to 10,000 impressions. 4-band date, months, days and 10 years for long stamp life. Date band cover ensures fingers remain clean. Features: dater with impression size 1 inch by 1 5/8 feet, character height date 5/32 foot, for millimeters, easily readable date band with 12 years, months in letters, days in years in numbers. For well-organized paperwork in the office, this stamper marks invoices, reminders, incoming mail, or any other documents. Features a built-in ink pad for a compact design and provides thousands of clear imprints. Document-proof stamping ink. According to DIN ISO 14145-2, ink cannot be removed without leaving visible traces, protecting against forgery and fraud. Change the ink pad with ease and no mess thanks to its intuitive design. 2-color replacement ink pads 6/4750/2 are available to extend the life of your stamp. Produced with high percentage of recycled plastic material through renewable energy plus offset programs to further reduce the CO2 footprint. Number 3. Martingale 62001 Deluxe High-Speed Letter Opener, Gray. The 62001 letter opener is ideal for large businesses and mailrooms where there are a variety of envelope sizes and types that require high-speed opening. It automatically feeds, opens and collects a stack of envelopes. You can open stacks of envelopes 6 inches. Features: automatically feeds, opens and collects a stack of envelopes. Operates at a speed of up to 17,500 envelopes an hour. Adjustable width accommodates different envelope sizes and types. Number 4. Slice Ceramic Blade Safety Cutter. Let's cut to the chase. You need a cutting tool that's quick, easy and safe. Scrapbooking, new articles, coupons, art projects, plastic packages designed to keep out. Houdini, don't grab scissors or some other weapon of mass destruction. Instead, keep Slice Safety Cutter handy with its high-tech ceramic blade that's almost as hard as diamonds. You'll find it just as valuable as you slice through projects with ease and keep your fingers safe and sound. The recessed ceramic blade lasts longer than steel and never rusts. Ever. Add a built-in magnet and keyring hole, and it's 2 thumbs up for the Slice Safety Cutter. Simple, sharp, safe. A portion of the purchase price of the Slice Safety Cutter is donated to fund autism research. Features: perfect for knife-free facilities. Clean room friendly, no oily blades. Ceramic blade lasts longer than steel. Does not conduct electricity. Stays sharp and never rusts. Built-in magnet and keyring hole. Finger-friendly design. Rubberized non-slip finish. Number 5. Cantec Acrylic Glove Dispenser, Double Box Capacity. Founded in 1982, Cantec has set the standard for personal customer service, superior design and construction, a high degree of flexibility and responsiveness to the marketplace. The Cantec glove dispenser accommodates most all brands and sizes of gloves. It can be placed on counter for use or wall-mounted through the pre-drilled holes, screws not included. The clear acrylic, one-piece construction is suitable for offices of all kinds. Keep your work area organized and always have a box of gloves in reach with the Cantec glove dispenser. Features: updated version can be mounted vertically or horizontally. Can be used on counter or wall-mounted, 4 pre-drilled holes. Mounting hardware not included. Clear acrylic for durability and elegance. Optional magnetic mounting kit available, AHM001.